Welcome guys, today we are going to unbox a new Gigabyte NVIDIA GeForce GT 710 with 2 Mbps DDR3 RAM. Let's open the package. Let's see. Here are some slots, and this one is the GeForce graphics card. It has a cooling fan, stock fan, which helps it to one second guys. Yes, it is open. This one has a stock fan for cooling purposes. Here 3 output systems is available here for PGA, HDMI and DVI-D. This is the GeForce, and in the next video I am going to update the performance. Currently I am having a 210 1 GB DDR1 DDR3 graphics card, which is giving me around 60-70 FPS in Nova. So now I am going to put it on my computer and see what is the performance of this specific graphics card. Thank you guys.